y'all, Exclucity coming to you in another unboxing video. We got the Lebron 15 in the BHM colorway, and I know I keep saying this, but every time I see a new Lebron, I always think that that's the best colorway, and I feel very strongly about this shoe right here. What I do love is that they, throughout the entire pack, they kind of have like this Pan-African color theme throughout the entire pack of the shoe. This one has the combination of green and red at the top of the shoe right there on the knit material, the battle knit. And I do like it because it kind of has a Kuji look on the upper part of the shoe. And then pretty much the rest of the sneaker is blacked out. One of my favorite parts is obviously the blacked out midsole and airbags on the shoe. And then on the heel over here, it has a date engraved, which is 07/13/26, which is the day him, Chris Paul, Carmelo Anthony, and Dwayne Wade stood up against violence during the SPs for equality for all. And LeBron has never been shying away from expressing how he feels with what's going on around the world, especially when it comes to police brutality and equality. So yeah, throughout the entire pack, there's some special messages and hidden details that are pretty cool. And I think that it's a great way for LeBron and all of the athletes to kind of showcase and express how they feel, especially during Black History Month. So that's pretty cool. Let's start with the outsole of the shoe. You got the Zoom technology on the outsole right there. And then this is a combination of air and zoom on the midsole. You guys know that. I explained it in the past. Definitely one of the better technologies out there when it comes to the LeBron's upper part of the shoe. Is a combination of knit and a new improved knit on the side panel right over here called Battle Knit, which is very strong but yet flexible when it comes to playing and moving in certain directions. Obviously you got dynamic flywire, you got the combination of green and red on the upper. Pretty much the rest of the shoe is black. You got the black LeBron James logo on there on the pull tab. At the top, the BHM obviously in gold on the top of the pull tab. And I do love the back over here, which is like a blacked out swoosh on the heel, blacked out midsole. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe, which one's your favorite, and let's check out what these guys look like on feet. All right guys, so this is what the Lebron 15 in the BHM colorway looks like on feet. Definitely the best out of the bunch. Let me know what you guys think, although I am a KD fan, the Lebron, in my opinion, is the nicest one out of all the BHMs. The Kyries are pretty cool too, but these are definitely the stronger one. So yeah, they do fit quite tight, but still stay true to size because the knit, I feel like the knit could stretch eventually. So yeah, stay true to size in these. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.